So now I will take one more part. Wait a moment. So third, let's we do third question. Part. Okay, part D. So in D part, we can see y equals to 20. Y equals to 24 we have, and we have to find out x. Okay, we have to find out x. So write the equation, no problem. Y equals to k over x cube. Okay, so y means 24. K is also 24. So amazing. Okay, and what you can do, you can do cross multiplication, or you can do like this also. X cube equals to 24, and this 24 will come here. Okay, is it okay? Or if you have confusion, you may have. So what you can do, you do cross multiply first, and then thing is the same. Let's understand. 24 into x cube. 24 x cube equals to 24. So x cube equals to 24 over 24. So 24 over 24 means 1. Cube root of 1 is 1. So whatever is the power of 1, answer is always 1. Okay.
Okay.
Right. This h is proportional to t square. This is given, condition is the given. Height h is proportional to the square of h proportional to t square. It means h equals to kt square. Okay. So this is the first part, and then you can see that we have t equals to 5 and h equals to, so see t equals to 5, h equals to 125 meter. This is given. Okay, this is 5 second. This is, so h equals to what? H should be kt square. So k t square, or k equals to, or h over t square should be k. Understanding? So k should be equals to h over t square. K equals to h means 125, and t square, t is 5. Solve it. This is
25.
125 over 25. So 5 5, k equals to 5. K equals to, okay. So this is very important. And then we get this one, h equals to kt square. So h equals to kt square. So h over t square equals to k. Right? We put substitute the value, because ht 5 second and h equals to 125 meter is given in the question. Now, then we have the rest of the parts. We have done a, okay, write down the relationship between a and k. Okay, for a only this much, for a only this much, right? This is part B. This is part B. In part B, we have to find out constant of proportionality. A only this much. We have to write relation and then remove the sign using the constant k. Part C, find the height of cliff if the stone takes 3 seconds to reach the ground. Now, if you look at its part C, okay, part C, if you look at its part, okay, so in part C, we have to find out h, okay, we have to find out h, and this is t equals to, so what is t is given, t equals to 3 seconds, okay, so write h in this equation here, h equals to kt square. H we have to find out, k we have 5, this is 3, so 5 times 9 equals to 45 meter. So height will be 45 meter. Clear? And then in part D, time taken, h equals to 180 meter. So we have to find out then obviously t. So h equals to kt square. This is 180. This is the 5, right? This is 5. K equals to t square. So 180 over 5 should be t square. And you divide this one. This is how much? 5 3s are. And then 36 are.
36, no?
Yes. So t equals to square root 36 means 6. So it will take 6 seconds. Okay.
Yeah.
So question number 3 here. Question number 3 we have length L, okay, of an edge of a cube, length L, right? It's L, is proportional to the cube root of its mass. Okay? Proportional to the cube root of its mass. Cube root. You can write this way, okay? You can write this way. Is proportional to cube root. Okay. Understanding? L is proportional to cube root m, or if someone wants to write like L is proportional m its power 1 over 3. So this is also correct, but most of times we prefer the first method, we cube root. This 3 is inside this. Okay. Now we have to remove, okay, a sign of proportionality is L equals to k times, okay, cube m and its cube root. Cube. So we cannot solve this unless we can, but it's better, okay, it's better. But first of all, this is the original, okay, this is the original, and otherwise we can do cubing both sides, and this way also we can remove the cube. But see, that depends on the question whether it's required or not. But this is the original form, okay. Then rest of things we will do as per the question requirement, okay. So write down the relationship. Okay, I have written the relationship 3a and b. Okay, in b, look at he's saying that calculate the value of k. So L equals to 15, it's okay, and m equals to 125. Okay, it's cube of 5. Just put here. Okay, so what you can do, L equals to, L equals to k and it's cube m. So L over cube root m equals to k. Okay, L means 15, cube root of 125, 125. So 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, you can find out cube root, it will be 5. Okay, equals to k equals to k. So 3 equals to k, or k equals to 3. We have got k equals to 3. Right. Now after this, look at part C. M equals to 8, we have to find out obviously other L. Okay, so L equals to k cube root 8. Okay, k equals to 3 times, okay, it means times cube root 8. Cube root 8 means 2. 3 times 2, so this is 6. L equals to 6. Okay, so note down this, please. You can have some Okay. What are functions? I ask you, tell me one algebraic expression. Yes.
Sir, are you taking class tomorrow?
Yes, yes.
Oh,
I ask you one algebraic expression. Okay. So Toby, can tell me any algebraic expression?
Algebraic expression
Yes. Any term, expression.
or
Like there is
like
4x minus 9. 4x minus 9 is one expression. You can make
oh
same
okay.
expression like expression.
Y
Uh
equals to mx plus c.
Oh, yes, very good. Y equals to mx plus c. That is very good. That is already a standard expression. That is a function, right?
yes.
Straight line. Well. Or, for example, if I write 9x plus 5, 9x plus 5, you know? So this expression, we already know these are called the expression, polynomials. Okay? So when we have to find the value of this expression depends on the x, right? At whatever value of x we will take, it will give the value. It will give some value, but that depends on x value. X is independent. So you just write this equals to fx. This makes a function. This is a function. Simply, this is a function, and some fx on the place of fx you can write y also. Like Devila told me, y equals to mx. Like it's very simple. You already know this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Okay, it keep this x-axis remain as it is, and write y equals to fx. This becomes function. Okay, y-axis will show the fx. So this is called function. This is called function. Correct. And now suppose let's we take one exercise. It's very simple. Very simple. You guys can do. Fx equals to Eric. See, fx is equal to x plus 2. So f2 equals to means 2 times 2 plus 2. Right? Put this, replace x by 2. So 2 times 2, 4 plus 2, 6. Like, understood this one? Like f0, you have to find out how you write 2 times of 0. Okay. 2 times 0 plus 2. So how much? 0 plus 2. Khalila, understanding this one?
Yes, sir.
Suppose you have to find out f minus 2. So how will you find out f minus 2? 2 times minus 2 and plus 2. So minus 4 plus 2. That is negative 2. Okay. So this way you will find out. Right, guys? This way you will find out. I am writing here. Suppose, Eric, have you understood this one? Devila, Sivraj, you guys understood how to find out this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For example, I'm taking question number 2. Okay, question number 2 and G part. I will solve this question number 2G over here. See, fx equals to 4x minus 6. So we have to find out f minus 4.25. Okay. So how will I do? 4 times, replace x by minus 4.25 minus 6. Okay, and solve it then. Whatever answer you get, 4 5 is 20, 4 2 is 8, 8 plus 2 10, carry over 1, 4 4 is 16, 1 17, minus 17. Are we also getting same? Right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
minus 17 and minus 6, minus 23. This way you have to do each and every part. It's very simple. So, you have to replace, one thing is very simple. You have to replace x by the value which is given in the question. Okay. Same thing in case of question number in next exercise. I mean, you can see the And is it noted?
Don't note it, sir.
This question number 2. Question number 2H. Okay, question number 2H. G is a function. Okay, G is a function of f is 5x minus 3 over 3. Okay, 5x minus 3 over 3. So you have to find out the value of G minus and point. So simply replace this x by minus 0.1 minus 3 over 3. Okay, so replace x by minus 0.1. This will be minus and 0.5 minus 3 over 3. So this is both are negative. So you will add this one 3.5 negative over 3, and then you can simplify this. Okay, so simplify means if you wish you can write this in the fraction also. So better to write in this is right 30. Sorry, it's 30. Yes, multiplying by 10 both sides, right? So 35 over 10 and 5 can divide 5 7s and
Wait,
6.
sir. Sorry, sir.
Yeah.
Why is it multiplied by 10?
To remove the decimal, I want to remove the decimal.
Oh,
So when I will
Okay,
remove
okay.
decimal here, 1 0 will be here. So I can say you replace 1 0 or 1 decimal place in the numerator. So you will have to add 1 0 in the denominator. Or I can say you multiply it by 10 to remove the decimal. Okay, to
okay,
remove
I
the
see.
decimal.
And suppose if the decimal is like let's say it's 0.035, right? Sorry, let's say it's 0.035. Yeah, let's just say that. So can I times it by 100? Right, sir?
Yeah,
I can
right.
times it by 100, right?
Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely correct.
Okay.
Absolutely correct. So exercise, these two exercises you have to do in your homework also, these two exercise. So Sunday, a Saturday, then there will be a very small, I think 15 to 20 minutes lesson for the remaining work of inverse for the day. 20 minutes, hardly 20 minutes. Okay, because 3 more exercise and those are also simple exercise, very simple like this. There is a, inverse of the function. This is function that we know what is the inverse function, and we will substitute the value. This is okay. So around 20 minutes. So I hope everybody will join, because 20 minutes are not so big time. You can take this much from your day. Okay, guys.